Sorting movies by duration time. This question appeared in a Google interview. In this question, they're asking, you have been asked to sort movies according to their duration in descending order. Your output should contain all columns sorted by the movie duration in the given dataset. So essentially, they're just asking us to sort the dataset. How to sort it? Sort it based on this column called duration. Let's explore this data real quick. So select star from what table do we have? Movie underscore catalog. And let's see what we have in here. As you can see, we have 5 columns here: show ID, title, release year, rating, and duration. So duration is the column that we're concerned with here. Okay. What can we do here to sort this data set based on duration? As you can see here, we can use order by, right? That's how you sort something in SQL. But the issue here is this is a textual field, right? How do you sort text? It's a 90-minute, right? It's not just a 90, which is an integer. This is actually, if you look at the metadata or the information about this table, you can see this is of type text. So the data type of this column is text. How do you sort text? This is not a number. So what I have figured out is, and I'm sure there might be other approaches, but what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to split this field. Let's say this is 90 minutes, right? I'm going to split this field here, column here, based on the space, because I can see there's a space here, right? Anything before that space is a number, essentially, right? If you scroll down here, 83 minutes, 83, right before the space here, invisible space, this is a number. So how about I actually use that to sort this column or this data set? So you can use in Postgres, you can use something called split underscore part. Okay. And the first parameter that this thing takes is the name of the column. So in our case, this will be duration. Okay. Second parameter that this function takes is delimiter. Okay. So in our case, it's a space because we want to split this column by space. And the third parameter or argument this one takes is what do you want to do? Which part of that split you want to take? You want to take the first part, which in our case is a number, or you want to take the second part, which in our case is this text, which is min minute, right? I just want the first one here, so I'm going to specify the one. And this is how you actually split a column in Postgres. So I'm actually going to use this here. Let's do an order by. That's how you sort anything in Postgres or usually in SQL. So order by split part duration, name of the column. I'm splitting this column by space, and I'm only going to take the first part of that split, okay, which is this number here. So let's see what we get. And there you have it, okay? So I think it's working, but what's going on here? So 112 minute, right? Let's see what we have here. 74 minutes. So this means this is not sorted yet. And the reason for that is because this is still a data type of text. So whatever I got, that 93, 112, 100, 117, any of those numbers, they're actually still text. I need to forcefully ask Postgres to convert them to an integer. And this is how you actually convert that into an integer. And let's see if we run this again, what we get. And looks like this is the right answer because now it's been sorted based on this part here, 74 minute. Okay, let's see. That's the right answer. That is the right answer. And this was a very simple case. I just used, I knew a function that can do the job. In our case, it was split part, split underscore part, takes the column name, the delimiter, which is space for our case, and the part that you want to take or use. Okay, that's all.